2-point slope form. Let us consider a line passes through point P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2. Let us consider a fixed point A x, y. In order to explain the 2-point slope form, what I want to do, I want to graph all this information on the graph. So let this is the graph. Let this is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to first graph all these points. So let this is my point P, x1, y1, and let this is my point Q, which is basically x2, y2. I'm going to consider another point A, and let this is point A, which is basically x, y. What I'm going to do, I'm going to connect these 2 points, and if I connect that, I will get a line. So what I'm trying to do over here, I'm trying to find the equation of a line which passes through 2 points P and Q. Since the line is passing through 2 points P and Q, and that's why we are saying it 2-point slope form. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find that standard equation. Then the equation of the line passes through point P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2 is given as y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. And this equation is known as 2-point slope form. Now let's consider an example. So my example is find the equation of the line passing through 2, 4 and 7, 9. So as you can see, it is given that x1, y1 is 2, 4 and x2, y2 is 7, 9. Now let's use the formula for the 2-point slope form, which is this formula. So if I do that, I will write y minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 4 over 7 minus 2 times x minus 2. So basically what I'm doing, I'm substituting the value of x1, y1 and x2, y2 in this equation, and if I do that, I will get this. If I further simplify, I will get 9 minus 4 is basically 5 and 7 minus 2 is also 5. So I will write y minus 4 is equal to 5 over 5 times x minus 2. So 5 over 5 is 1. So if I simplify further, I will write y minus 4 is equal to x minus 2. What I need to do now, I need to take this 4 to the other side, and if I do that, I will write y is equal to x plus 2. So basically, I got my equation of a line passes through point 2, 4 and 7, 9 using 2-point slope form, which is basically this equation. And this is how we can use 2-point slope form to find the equation of a line.